Updating a legal profile on Skubana is essential to ensure compliance and maintain accurate business information. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your Skubana account. Access your Skubana account by entering your username and password on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the legal profile. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings icon or menu option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Legal Profile. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Legal Profile or Business Information. Click on this section to view your current legal profile details. Step 4. Update your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to periodically review your legal profile to keep it current. Regular updates help maintain compliance and ensure your business operates smoothly.